sorry. Psych.
Hands up, hands high. Don't get screaming if I blow you with the Suki Suki. I'm coming in the Cherokee gasoline. You are my special. You are my midnight, yeah. So sweet, so fine, so nice.
무궁화 꽃이 피었습니다.
Dollar bills, keep on falling for me. I love the way it feels. I came here to drop some money, dropping all my money. Drop some money, all this stuff so yummy, yeah. Circus, Afro circus, Afro circus, Afro polka dot, Afro.
You don't have any friends. Nobody likes you.
Not listening. Not listening.
You're a liar. And a
Sally, I need your help more than anyone's.
You certainly do, Jack. I had the most terrible vision.
That's splendid.
No, it was about your Christmas. There was smoke and fire.
That's not my Christmas. My Christmas is filled with laughter and joy and this. My Sandy Claus outfit. I want you to make it.
Jack, please listen to me. It's going to be a disaster.
How could it be? Just follow the pattern. This part's red. The trim is white.
It's a mistake, Jack.
Now don't be modest. Who else is clever enough to make my Sandy Claus outfit? Next! I have every confidence in you.
But it seems wrong to me. Very wrong.
Circus, Afro circus, Afro circus, Afro polka dot, Afro.
Hiya, Georgie. What a nice boat. Do you want it back? You look like a nice boy. Do you want a balloon too, Georgie? Oh, well, I'm Pennywise the dancing clown. Pennywise? Yes, meet Georgie. Georgie, meet Pennywise. Now we aren't strangers, are we? A storm blew me away. Blew the whole circus away. Can you smell the circus, Georgie? There's peanuts, cotton candy, hot dogs, and popcorn. Is that your favorite?
Uh-huh.
Mine too.
Well, hey, what's up there? What am I doing? I'm eating ice cream. Am I lactose intolerant? Yes. It's gonna be worth it though, it's fine. But while I sit here and hope for the best, I'm gonna turn myself into a bunny. Cause you know, logic, sure. As you might have guessed though, this bunny's not gonna be cute. You know what, that's it, I'm done. Psych, this needs to be way more weird. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm definitely doing something. This eye did not like the sclera in it, so we're gonna figure something out. I gave her a scar through this eye. That works. I put on a wig and cute little bunny ears that I made out of cardboard, yes. You know, this did turn out a lot cuter than I expected it to, but I think I'm done.
Hi, I'm Chucky, and I'm your friend to the end. Heidi-ho. Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play?
Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play?
Circus, Afro circus, Afro circus, Afro polka dot, Afro.
You are allowed to move forward when it shouts out green light. Stop when it shouts red light. If your movement is detected afterwards, you will be eliminated. With that, let the game begin.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. This is terrifying. It's gonna hurt really bad too. Let's start with the wig. Ooh, let's start with this neck wound. I don't know what to do. Literally send out. Oh my god. Try the teeth. Oh my god. I'm in pain. The chin. It's just like waxing your eyebrows. Okay, this is gonna hurt. Ow, ow. Now I'm just wiping the things I do for 15-second videos. Contacts. I'm gonna go shower and brush my teeth. Thanks for watching.
I'm gonna kill you, of course. But first, I'm gonna drive you mad. Now that's a headline. What do you have to lose? Except your sanity. Hiya, Georgie. What a nice boat. Do you want it back? You look like a nice boy. Do you want a balloon too, Georgie? Oh, well, I'm Pennywise the dancing clown. Pennywise? Yes, meet Georgie. Georgie, meet Pennywise. Now we aren't strangers, are we? A storm blew me away. Blew the whole circus away. Can you smell the circus, Georgie? There's peanuts, cotton candy, hot dogs, and popcorn. Is that your favorite?
Uh-huh.
I do. Because they pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop, pop.
It is time for some more Halloween makeup. A lovely inspo, a bird. First, you gotta sketch it out. The sketch is done, however, I cannot find a hair tie. I own like a million, but they always seem to disappear. Perfect. Now I'm gonna fill everything in with my Graftopian face paints. This is in Sunset Orange. Pumpkin number 1, pumpkin number 2, number 3. We're just gonna blend this one in because I don't feel like doing a lot of work. Now we're getting into the grass part here, and that's a very specific color. Muddy green. Would you look at that? Graftopian has one. However, this one's sparkly, and I kinda like it. Dragon scale green. Some brownish shade. Some fuzzy bear brown, to be exact. Alright, and this is a finished look. Just kidding. That wasn't funny. I'm gonna add some detail to this, and I will be right back. I'm right back with detail. We're not quite yet done, but we're close. We gotta add some stars. I want some tiny cute stars. So I have my stencil. Assuming you just go like this. Okay, we'll add a 2. And this is a finished look, using only Graftopian face paints, as always. I literally use them in every single look, ever, for the past like 2 years. Highly recommend getting them, especially this blue. Look how shiny that is.
Hi, I'm Chucky, and I'm your friend to the end. Heidi-ho. Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play?
Hi, I'm Chucky. Wanna play?
Play.